It is Australia's top manufacturing solutions event for a sector that's going through a technological revolution. So get yourselves to Melbourne in May for the Australian Manufacturing Week Expo. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Now, this year, Melbourne hosts the Australian Manufacturing Week Expo at the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre. Under one roof will be the latest innovations, technologies and equipment in the advanced manufacturing sector, and it's your chance to be the first to experience them. With 7 exclusive and specialised product zones, come out and explore new opportunities for your company and meet the network with the innovations, industry leaders and technology experts, all in one place at the one show. Register now by going to australianmanufacturingweek.com.au. And thank you for watching.